Welcome to our tutorial on how to use staff augmentation for project-specific needs. Get going with the project analysis. Identify the specific skills required for each project to ensure you have the right expertise. Recruit targeted professionals with experience in similar projects to hit the ground running. Utilize short-term contracts for project-specific tasks, providing flexibility and efficiency. Build a cross-functional team by assembling members with complementary skills to enhance project efficiency and innovation. Ultimately, manage with a focus on outcome. Oversee your augmented staff with a clear focus on project outcomes to ensure success. Ready to start with staff augmentation? Explore our services today.